read your article and you mentioned that you had an opportunity to review thousands of candidates so far. I was wondering, what do you look for when you're interviewing someone for an FDE role, or when you're like looking at their CV or cover letter? What are those skills that you're particularly?
Not a thousand, at least hundreds of resumes. I don't really spend a lot of time for every single resume, because imagine like I get hundreds every week. Also, I get a lot of help from our recruiter for sure, but I never use AI to judge the resume. Even I can, but I never made this because the AI is not good enough. And also I don't want, the world is so miserable that is AI determining the future for us. So, but I spend 5 seconds, 10 seconds for every single resume. Maybe you can blame me, but I don't really have enough time to spend doing research for every single resume, right?
It's not possible, right?
So I do look for like some basic criteria, for example, like whether the person is in US or Canada, because right now we operate primarily in North America, and whether the person coming from a nice university, because again, it doesn't mean a lot, but it means something because you are already selective, right? So you earn your ticket, go to one of the best university in a nice major, you already get some computer science, or even you are not really in computer science, but you're already technical enough, right? And also what kind of technical stack you are using, right? So if people talking about a lot of buzzwords, for example, like ISO or those change management, those are big words, not really about those technical terms I'm worried about. And also I want to make sure the person not just knowing Python, but also already build and use certain framework. Some of the Python-based LLM framework, some of the observability framework, and how to do the test evals. So we don't want to hire someone just good at Python and spend the other half year to train them. So get hands dirty about using AI or even building AI agents is something we look for. Also, I don't want to hire someone less than 1 year full-time working experience. So in the past, I set the bar as 2 years, but now I set to 1 year because I see some of the candidates who are super smart, they can grow fast. So, but if someone just graduate, or even you are not graduate, you don't have to send a resume to me. I will just reject very fast.